Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a custom wallpaper on WhatsApp. So for you to be able to set a custom wallpaper for your WhatsApp, here's how you can get it done on your iPhone. You click on your WhatsApp, then once you have it open on your iPhone, then you click on the gear button. Once you click on it, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on chat, then you tap on the first option, which is chat wallpaper. Then right here you can simply choose a new wallpaper, then you can go for the custom. And right here we have three phase of the wallpaper that can be used. We have the light one, we have the dark one, then we have the solid one. This actually works for dark mode. It depends if you switch the mode of your phone from light to dark or from dark to light. This actually works. Right now my phone is currently on light, so this is very cool. You can decide to use this or this or even this. I actually prefer this. I kind of like this. Then I'm going to tap on set. Also I can decide to turn off the motion. So if I want to turn off the motion, I can just simply click on this option right here just to on and off the motion. Then once I'm done, then I'm going to click on set, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.